Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Change wristband. Detach wristband. The wristband tabs are located on the back of the device. To remove a wristband, use your finger to pull the wristband tab away from the side of the watch. Then, detach the wristband from the watch. Repeat this process to detach the other wristband. Attach wristband. To attach a wristband to the watch, use your finger to pull the wristband tab in. Make sure that the metal pin is flush with the leather on one side. Place the metal pin that is protruding from the leather into the pinhole on the side of the watch. Line up the wristband with the other pinhole and release the wristband tab. The wristband should lock into place. Repeat this process to attach the other wristband. Reset device. Power cycle. There are multiple ways to reset your device if you're experiencing issues. The first is to perform a power cycle. To turn the device off, press and hold the Home plus Back buttons on the right side of the device. Select Power Off. The device will take a moment to power off. To turn the device back on, press and hold the Home plus Back buttons. The device will take a moment to power on. Factory reset. If a power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, you can perform a factory reset. A factory data reset will revert the device back to factory settings. It will permanently erase all personal data, preferences, settings, and content that is saved to the device. It is recommended that you save, back up important data before proceeding. To perform a factory data reset, from the clock screen, press the Home button. Navigate to and select Settings. Scroll to and select General. Scroll to and select Reset. Select Next. Scroll to and select Reset. Voicemail. Set up voicemail. When number sync is enabled, calls to the primary device will route to the primary voicemail box. If number sync is not enabled, the device has its own voicemail box, and calls to voicemail will route to the watch's voicemail box. From the clock screen, press the Home button. Navigate to and select Phone. Select the keypad icon. Select and hold the 1 key. Select the menu icon, then select the keypad icon. Enter your current voicemail password. Then follow the prompts to check your voicemail and more. If you're a new customer and have not established a voicemail box, you'll be prompted to set up your voicemail and choose a password and greeting. Access voicemail. From the phone app, select the keypad icon. Select and hold the 1 key. You will be prompted to enter your voicemail password. Select the menu icon, then select the keypad icon. Enter your current voicemail password, then follow the prompts to check your voicemail. Change voicemail password. To change your voicemail password, you must know your current voicemail password. If you have forgotten your existing voicemail password, you will not be able to access voicemail until you reset your voicemail password. To reset your voicemail password, go to att.com/resetvm. To change your voicemail password, from the phone app, select the keypad icon. Select and hold the 1 key. Select the menu icon, then select the keypad icon. Enter your existing password. And then select 4. Select 2. Select 1. Select 1 again. Enter your new password, then select the pound key. Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger and battery to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. To charge the device, make sure the charger is plugged into an outlet and then place the watch into the charging dock. The magnets will help secure it in place. Conserve battery life. To enable power saving mode from the Galaxy Watch, from the clock screen, press the Home button. Navigate to and select Settings. Scroll to and select Battery. Select Power Mode. Scroll to and select the desired power saving mode. Power saving or watch only. Select the checkmark icon. To access more display options, from the Settings screen, scroll to and select Display. To disable Auto Brightness, scroll to and select Auto Low Brightness. Select the Auto Low Brightness switch. To reduce screen brightness, from the display screen, select Brightness. Scroll to the desired screen brightness. To set a shorter screen timeout, from the display screen, scroll to and select Screen Timeout. Scroll to and select the desired option. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the Settings screen, scroll to and select Connections. If enabled, disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location, and NFC services. Scroll to and select the desired option to access its settings. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of the screen, then swipe left and select the airplane mode icon. Learn and customize the home screen. Learn and customize the home screen. To view notifications, from the clock screen, swipe right. To view the Moments bar, from the clock screen, swipe down. To access the Widgets board, from the clock screen, swipe left to the desired widget. To add a widget, swipe left to the Add Widget screen. Then select Add Widget. To remove a widget, select and hold the desired widget until the minus icon appears. Then select the Remove icon. Change watch face. To change the watch face, select and hold the clock screen. Swipe to the desired watch face. If you'd like to customize the watch face, select Customize and edit the watch face. Select OK when finished editing. You can also change your watch face from your paired device. From the Galaxy Wearable app, select the Watch Faces tab. Edit the watch face as desired.